This tutorial review will show you how to fix Instagram message swipe reply option not working on Android. Solution number 1. Restart your phone. If you're also facing Instagram message swipe reply not working in your Android smartphone or iPhone, then you should restart your mobile phone once, because if there is a small bug, then restarting the device gets fixed. Solution number 2. Log out and log back in. If you have restarted your phone and still you are facing Instagram message swipe reply not working on your phone, now you have to log out your account from your Instagram app and log in again with details. To do that, open your Insta profile. Tap on this three-line icon at the top right corner. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Log Out. Once you logged out, log back in and check the problem if fixed or not. Solution number 3. Clear cache of Instagram app. Go to your phone settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. Search here Instagram and tap on Instagram. Then tap on Clear Data and Clear Cache. After that, relaunch your Insta application, relog in into your account and check the problem if fixed or not. Solution number 4. Update Instagram app. Many times you use a very old version of Instagram app in your Android phone, or say that you use Instagram of outdated version and you never update the app. So even in such a situation, you may have to face the problem of Instagram message swipe reply not working on your Android phone. In such a situation, if you're facing this problem, then you should first update your app. If you're an Android user, then go to your Play Store, search for Instagram and update the app and check the problem if fixed or not. And the last and final solution is uninstall and reinstall Instagram app. It has been seen sometimes that even after updating the app and restarting the device, one has to face the Instagram message swipe not working properly. So in such a situation, you will have to uninstall your Instagram application and reinstall it and then check the problem if fixed or not. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.